Hello, hello, hello. How are we doing today again? So I am going to be doing another DIY today. Yes, 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 yes. I am ready. I haven't done some DIYs in a long time. You know, your girl is a DIY. You know, you ain't going to see the last part, but your girl be into DIYs, right? So we are going to be doing Bejeweled mirrors. We're gonna have a his and a her Bejeweled mirror. All right. Yeah. Let me flip my hair because it's about to get wild down in here. All right. Love, love, love you guys. You guys are here with me. To the new members, to my new subscribers. Big up your darn self, all right, for sticking with your girl. Love you all. You guys are awesome, and much love. All right, stay tuned. I got something good for you, something for your boyfriend, for your man, for your husband. Hey, I got something for you. I'm gonna make the first mirror is gonna be for a man, so it's gonna be a bejeweled mirror. And I bought these two mirrors by Target, and I'm gonna show it to you really, really soon. All right, stay tuned. Don't touch that dial. Don't you do it. So we got our two mirrors today, our two matching mirrors at Target, and these are wall mirrors. This is 16 inches by 16 inches, 40.6 centimeters by 40.6 centimeters. The code of the mirrors are 074110515 on the dial. So these are Target brand mirrors. Target brand mirrors. I'm going to be jewel one for a man and one for a woman. So stay tuned, guys. It is going down, 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 down. They are beautiful, and I am ready to do my thing, Hope you guys are having an awesome, awesome day. Staying safe, staying healthy. Love you, love you, love you. Mwah! What we need today is we really need our trusty gorilla, not gorilla glue. Oh, you don't want to go on that topic now. Not gorilla glue, guys. We're gonna need our E6000 glue. E6000. All right. So I have my E6000 here, and what I'm gonna do with the male one to make it look, you know, for a man, I am just gonna use some buttons here that I bought at my local thrift store. Okay, that I bought at my local thrift store, guys. So yeah, my local thrift store is Savers. I'm in New York City, and I have some buttons here that I could just put all over and just try to make it my own, try to make it beautiful for the person receiving. So first thing I'm going to do is put a plastic bag in the middle of the mirror for protection, because when I'm putting the glue, I don't want the glue to go all over it. I want to have control over what I'm doing. Okay, so I have these buttons here. Let me just show you the buttons. Don't want to have any accidents. These are the buttons, the beautiful buttons. Yeah, we have some old ones here, look like some retro buttons. That's why I love the thrift store. You can get so much retro stuff, and you know, you just make your project your own. All right, so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to put some buttons all over the mirror. Yes, all over the mirror, guys. So I'm going to start. Start applying the glue. There don't have to be any pattern, any specific pattern. Just go with the flow and make the style, make the mirror your own. So I'm sticking the first one here. Want to make sure you guys see it, see what I'm doing. Anything you want to use around the house, okay? You guys could use buttons, you guys could use precious gems, anything you want to use around the house. But I'm just putting some buttons all around. And this was bought, I actually got this for a really, really good price. I am the bargain diva. $3.99, guys, $3.99. You can't beat that. A big bag of like more than, I would say, hundreds of buttons. Oh yeah. Yeah, I am so in, So this buttons bag has a whole lot of variety of beautiful, beautiful buttons. Buttons from all over the world. There are some ones with anchors on it. Ones with anchors on it. Yeah, it's like a potpourri of history in here. And that's why I love the thrift store. I mean, you get so much historic pieces. Yeah, it's just awesome. So I'm just gonna take some time and just stick some buttons in there all around, and I'll come back and show you. It's like a time lapse of the buttons. See, I'm still digging in the bag, trying to find the best suitable button for the project, Yeah. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. You guys are in the best of health. You guys are doing fine. Yeah, taking it easy on this beautiful Sunday evening. I'm in New York, as some of you guys know, and I am just taking it easy right now, trying to do the best that I can do with this project. Yeah, it's a project. So I'm just showing you the button so far. I'm showing you what I have so far. Okay. In the buttons bag. So you see, guys, it's just so awesome, The thrift store, man. I love the thrift store. So I'm gonna stick some of these antique stuff on the mirror, still keeping the manly theme of the whole project. Okay. So quick tip: whenever you're doing this project, if you're gonna use buttons, make sure you have the flat back buttons, because the buttons with the hook to the back, those are not gonna they're gonna slide off. And when I mean hook, I'm talking about these buttons with a hook to the back. So you got to be very careful. So when you're doing these, you want to make sure that you have not these buttons. You're going to use the ones with a flat back. Okay. So it's a tip of the day. So I actually found like some coins in here, some old coins. I'm like, wow. There's a lot of history in this bag. Yeah, a Mexican coin. So yeah, they'll just put everything in there, and they were like, okay, let's get it out of here, So I'm putting some more buttons. I have found some of these with some gold. Hope you can see it, with some gold. I'm trying to zoom in for you so you can see it, with some gold, like a flower. Looks like a flower or something like that. Hope you guys could see it. Trying to zoom in. Yeah, and here I go. I'm just putting it wherever so I'm showing you the progress as I go along. I can't really lift it up because it's sticking, so I'm just showing you the little progress thus far. Yeah. These buttons are so beautiful, guys. We got like some semi-precious stone buttons. I mean, look at the dazzle in this. I mean, it's so beautiful. It's so awesome, you know. And what an awesome gift to give somebody you love, you know, these precious, semi-precious buttons. You know, it's so cute, and it's like, you know, you're making it your own, and you're making it so personal. It's so personal, you know. Yeah, it's awesome. I'm just enjoying myself right now, guys. So I'm just showing you how far I reached so far. How far I reached with the buttons and the semi-precious buttons. Yeah, it's coming to come, as my mom would say. Yeah, it's a process, but patience and love, and you know, you'll get there, guys. You'll get there. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to show you the finished process really, really soon. So it's going to be like a time lapse. So guys, it looked like I got a real silver, like a nugget in the bag. It has markings on it. I need to go carry this somewhere and make me see if it might be. But you never know. You know, you always hear about these weird thrift store finds, you know. But look at it, guys. Like, really though, you know. And it's like solid, like a silver bar. It's like really solid. And there's markings to the back of it. So you never know. You never know if it's if it might be like you know, might be something here. Might be onto something here, guys. You never know. Hey. So I'm checking in with you guys to show you the progress. This far. Yeah. I'm putting it all around the rim, the edges, all with old and buttons, semi-precious buttons, you know. Yep. I don't want to like bend it too much because, you know, it's drying. I don't want to like mess it up, you know. I'm going to show you the end progress. Okay, so it was a process, guys. It was a process. This is the end of the mirror. This is the end of it, guys. Yeah. Let me step back a little bit. Yeah, so it's just like semi-precious buttons and, you know, some semi-precious stones. Yeah, this is the final process. So you're just gonna add buttons all around. These are like old buttons, as I mentioned before. You could use anything you have in your household. Anything that you could make that could make, you know, that could make the person feel special. You use whatever you have. You don't have to do what I do, but I'm just giving you ideas of how you could make the mirror into something beautiful. Something simple can be so, so beautiful. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Much love to you. Much love to you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.